morning everyone. I am Abhay Kumar. I will teach you today electrostatics. Okay, this is the first unit of class 12. It consists two chapters, electric charges and field and electrostatic potential. So we will study first chapter, electric charges and field. First we know about what is electrostatics. What does electrostatics mean? So electrostatics is made of two words, that is called electro plus statics. Electro means charge, statics means rest. The branch of physics in which we study about properties of charge which is at rest is called electrostatics. Understand? And but means that the charge will remain in rest, and then we will study different properties of charge. That branch of physics will call electrostatics. The application of electrostatics is what? In Xerox machine, photocopy machine we can say, and in fan cooler it is used as electric charge storing devices. Okay, this is also called in practical life condenser. Okay, and in loudspeaker also, to increase the volume of loudspeaker we use it. Okay, and so many uses in the practical life of electrostatics. We will focus on chapter number 1, electric charges and field. What is charge? First we know about what is charge. What is charge? Charge is the fundamental property of the object due to which that object attract or repel another object. Okay, fundamental means the property that is belonging to the fundamental particles. Okay, the fundamental properties of charge, it is fundamental property of an object due to which that object attract or repel another object. Okay, this is called what? Charge. And SI unit of charge is SI unit. This is physical quantity. Physical quantity is what? The quantity that helps in the study of physics. SI unit of charge is coulomb or C, and CGS unit of charge is what? CGS unit of charge is state coulomb, or we can say it ESU, electrostatic units. Okay, SI unit and CGS unit of charge is related. How? 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 ESU, electrostatic units. Okay, this is what relation between electrostatic units, or you can CGS unit of charge and SI unit of charge. Now another large unit of charge is farad. This is what? Faraday. 1 Faraday. Okay, it is pronounced as Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulomb. There is another unit also related with the Faraday. Faraday was the scientist. The unit one is largest unit of charge, that is pronounced as Faraday, and another one is capacitance unit of capacitance, that is called farad. Okay, so 1 farad is 96,500 coulomb. This is largest unit charge. We can write the charge in terms of prefix. 1 millicoulomb equal to 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb, 1 microcoulomb equal to 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, 1 nanocoulomb equal to 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, 1 picocoulomb equal to 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb, 1 autocoulomb equal to 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb. This was the what? The unit of charge. Okay, understand? Now we shall study about how charge arises on an object. An object is made of atoms, and atoms consist of two parts, that is called nucleus and orbit. Inside the nucleus, protons and neutrons are present, and in the orbit electrons are revolving. Suppose this is an atom and this is the center core, that is called nucleus, where protons and neutrons are present, and this is electron that is orbiting around the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, the protons and neutrons are present, which is one is proton is positive charge and neutrons are neutral. Okay, there is no charge present on that particle. Okay, but we can remove only electron that has a negative charge, or we can say the charge of proton, you can say the charge of proton as charge of plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, but electron has charge of what, minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so but neutron has is neutral, 0. Okay, here the electrons are orbiting around the nucleus, and due to loss of electron, you can say loss of electron, loss of electron, nucleus P plus E, and this is loss of electron, here positive charge arises, and due to gain of electron, nucleus P plus N, and here this is electron and gain of electron, here due to gain of electron, nucleus P plus E, and gain of electron, negative charge. Understand? So broadly we can classify how this positive and negative charge arises. We can understood from the charge present on a nucleus. The charge present on nucleus is 0 initially. When there is loss of electron, you can say the value of positive charge will increase, number of protons will increase with respect to electrons. That is why it becomes positive charge, and due to loss of electron or you can say gain of loss of electron, the positive charge arises, and due to gain of electron, the number of negative charge will be increased. That is why the orbit, this particular nucleus will be negative charge. Okay, understand? And now if we classify the charge will be classified in two parts. That is, one is called what, positive, and another one is called what, negative. Positive charge repel each other. This one repel each other. Positive and negative attract each other. You can say similar charge repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. Okay, understand? This is the what we can say about the charge. Charge arises, we can write it as charge arises on an object due to transfer of electron and electron. Okay, understand? This is what called object. Understand? Okay, now I want to summarize what we have studied. We have first studied about electrostatics, then we have studied about what is charge, their units, okay, and how the charge arises on an object. Okay, due to transfer of electron, charge arises on an object. If the transfer is occurred due to loss of electron, then positive charge, and if there is a gain of electron, then the object will be negative charge. Similar charges repel, opposite charges attract. Okay, and one more thing about charge is scalar. Charge is scalar quantity. We can add according to ordinary rules of algebra, and another one is the dimension of charge is 80. Okay, this one. This is the basic points about the charge. Okay, thank you.